Hello guys, my brother's watching SpongeBob, so sorry about all the, whacking on the TV. He loves SpongeBob very much, and I am going to, on this video review, I will upload it to YouTube. Well, not a review, it's a kind of chat with how I got into making video reviews and stuff like that. Well, I'm going to tell you who inspired me first. Who inspired me was Octobotamus. If you know him, he just Toy Story reviews, he's into the Fallen, Transformers review, he also does great Lego reviews. Now, he's only done one Lego review so far what I've seen. And he does a really good job doing that. And he called it his last video review of 2009 and 9. No, in 9. So that doesn't make any sense. I just don't know how to put it. But did you know that Octobota's voice is just gorgeous? And J.K. Mitchell. Hey guys, I'm here with another, all that kind of thing. I even know a chef named Gordon Ramsay. And yeah, back to the Octobotamus stuff. I didn't come to tell you about all the Gordon Ramsay and a bunch of stuff, but back to the Octobotamus and J.K. Mitchell. J.K. Mitchell does Toy Story reviews, and that's all I've read of. That's all I know of. Anyway, I told you the inspiring stuff. Well, today I'm going to review. It's a big toy. Well, I can't really show it, but I'll turn it so you can see it. I can't really see you, but I'll bring you to it. As you can see, the yellow part is the only thing I can get to show. But if I move the wallpaper, you can see. There we go. And we'll just put it down. There! It wasn't really hard to show at all. But anyway, that's a nice looking truck. It's black and yellow, just like a regular duck. Now, you can sit in it and drive it, or you can play with it as a regular truck. I prefer sitting in it and driving it. that's what my big brother Beckham likes to do over there. He was on the Broken City, little thingy right there, little not review but movie, and and um that's a nice looking one. That's a nice looking toy, and I told you about the style and styling and about the toy review. The toy review was short, but anyway, I'm gonna try to zoom it in this. If I can move this. I don't think I can, but there's the top of the dump truck. See back on my city. Look at it. And there are the wheels in the back. There were 4 wheels, 4 big wheels. It's actually my brother York right over there in the black, but Beckham likes to play with it a lot. And York lets him. And anyway, that was my video review. I was going to upload to YouTube, and I am going to do that at a chance. Sorry about the racket behind me. They're like wasting. I have 2 kinds of rackets, the TV and the wasting. And me. Well, not really me, but I feel good doing these little toy reviews, and I even felt good doing today's kind of review thing. And if you ask me, I am 8 years old. I go to Van Allen Elementary School. I just want to tell you a little bit about me. My birthday's April 16th, whatever year. And this year, for my birthday, I got a lot of things and cool stuff, like big Agent big Doofenshmirtz, which I will never review Doofenshmirtz, because, you know, there's little cracks in his face, and he can, like, dog chew them on him. If you ask me, a dog is not a really playful dog. He's more of a laying down dog than play dog. But he does like to play a lot too. Now, what I don't understand about my puppy, well, I had two dogs. One was Rosebud, but Rosebud sadly ran away after surgery. She had her babies, they all died, had surgery to make sure none of them go back again, and then she ran away. Now, I basically loved Rosebud. Now, the problem with Scout is that he has really big teeth and he can chew up literally anything. That's a problem with me, because I don't want him chewing up my toys. If it was big, if it was small enough, Scout could probably chew up my computer. But he is outside right now, so that is good. And I like him being outside more than inside. My brother